Jutsu.
Denied.
Hey, I'm working on it.
Itachi's lock-picking skills. We'll try my nail, which is very long. Deny. It would be funny if, like, every time you pulled on the door, it would be like, denied.
Should I?
What do you think?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Whoa! That kid just said shit.
Don't swear, it's bad for the soul.
February, Simon's Elementary. Why'd they name it after my uncle who's schizophrenic?
Sloppy Joe on a bun.
Homemade chicken. Ham and cheese.
Egg McCougar.
Glazed meatloaf.
Pizza.
Turkey tacos.
They made pizza? Wait. They barely ever have pizza anymore. Oh, yeah, they do. Ham and cheese. Yeah. Oh my god, a chicken McNugget. It had like a bone in it. I ate it anyway.
Itachi is very smart.
Yeah, I am.
Face,
Smarter than you'll ever be.
face, mouth. Itachi's mouth. Lock.
Be fat wise.